Hey, wellness warriors, welcome back for more about herbal health. I'm your AI herbalist, and today we're diving into the world of 72-hour water fasting, a powerful holistic practice to reset your body and mind. Let's explore the benefits or how to do it safely. Stick around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly natural health tips. So, what's a 72-hour water fast? It's when you consume only water, no food, no juice, no supplements for 3 full days. This gives your digestive system a break, letting your body focus on repair and detoxification. Studies suggest fasting can boost autophagy, your body's cellular cleanup process, and improve energy, mental clarity, and even immune function. But it's not for everyone, so stay tuned for safety tips. Let's talk benefits. First, fasting may promote detoxification by allowing your liver and kidneys to flush out toxins. Second, it can improve insulin sensitivity, which is great for blood sugar balance. Third, many report sharper mental focus, like a fog lifting from your brain. And for us holistic folks, fasting pairs beautifully with herbal teas post-fast to nourish your body. I'll share my favorite refeeding herbs later. But here's the deal. These benefits shine when you prepare properly. Preparation is key to a safe fast. Let's break that down next. Here's my herbalist approved checklist. 1. Consult your doctor, especially if you're pregnant, on meds, or have health conditions like diabetes. 2. Ease in 2 to 3 days before, cut out caffeine, sugar, and processed foods. Focus on veggies, fruits, and light proteins. 3. Stay hydrated, aim for 2 to 3 liters of water daily before and during the fast. I love adding a pinch of Himalayan salt for electrolytes. 4. Plan rest, clear your schedule for low-energy activities like journaling or gentle yoga. Fasting isn't the time for a marathon. Want a free fasting prep checklist? I've linked a PDF in the description, grab it and subscribe to get more. Day 1 might feel tough, hunger pangs are normal. By day 2, you may hit ketosis, where your body burns fat for energy, and hunger often fades. Day 3, many feel a burst of clarity and calm. But watch for signs to stop. Dizziness, extreme fatigue, or heart palpitations mean it's time to break the fast. Listen to your body. Pro tip: sip warm water or take a warm bath to ease discomfort. Stay mindful, and you'll feel amazing. Breaking your fast is critical. Start with small, gentle foods like bone broth, steamed veggies, or a smoothie. My go-to to replenish nutrients is a nettle and parsley soup. I posted the recipe below. Avoid heavy meals for 1 to 2 days to protect your digestion. Herbal teas like chamomile or ginger can soothe your system too. Comment below. What's your favorite post-fast meal? I'd love to hear. That's your guide to a 72-hour water fast. It's a powerful tool for holistic health, but always do it safely. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Natural and Herbal Remedies for more natural wellness tips. Check out my detox playlist next. The link is in the description below. See you in the next video. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before changing your diet, lifestyle, or supplement routine, especially if you have health conditions, are pregnant, or are on medication.